What is the value of the expression 48 minus open parenthesis 6 plus 6 close parenthesis divided by 12 times 5 minus 3 inside the parenthesis? Which option do you think is the correct answer to this question? This expression is very tricky and 98% of people get it wrong. Let's go step by step and solve it together. Many people, when solving this question, go straight to the first parenthesis and simplify this expression to 48 minus 12 divided by 12 times 5 minus 3 inside the parenthesis. And the next step, they go to the subtraction between 48 and 12 and simplify this expression to 36 divided by 12 times 5 minus 3 inside the parenthesis. Then they perform the division between 36 and 12 and write this expression as 3 times 5 minus 3 inside the parenthesis. And the final step, they go to the expression inside the parenthesis and simplify it to 3 times 2, which eventually gives them the answer 6. Then, without any hesitation, they quickly say that option A is the correct answer to this question. However, that's definitely wrong. Also, some other people when solving this question first go to the expressions inside both parentheses and simplify to 48 minus 12 divided by 12 times 2. And the next step, they go to the multiplication between 12 and 2 because they believe multiplication has priority over division. So, they simplify this expression to 48 minus 12 divided by 24. And the final step, they perform the division between 12 and 24 because they say division has a higher priority than subtraction. So, they rewrite this expression as 48 minus 0.5, which ultimately gives them the answer 47.5. And immediately, they conclude that option C is the correct answer to this question. But I have to say, we were tricked and it's not the correct answer to this question. Alright, now let's go step by step together and show you how to solve this expression properly. To solve this question, we must follow the PEMDAS rule step by step. And this rule, P stands for parenthesis, E stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. We must follow the order of operations exactly in order from top to bottom. Alright, as you can see on the screen, and this expression, first we have a subtraction sign, then parentheses, followed by a division sign, after that we have a multiplication, and finally another parenthesis. We must start with the parentheses first, because they have the highest priority than the other operations. So, this expression simplifies to 48 minus 12 divided by 12 times 2. And the next step, we move on to the division and multiplication, because multiplication and division have higher priority than subtraction. However, it's really important to understand that multiplication and division have exactly the same level of priority. In this situation, the best approach is to start from the left and move toward the right, performing these two operations in order. So, we begin with the division between 12 and 12, and instead of this expression, we can write 48 minus 1 then times 2. In the final step, we handle the multiplication between 1 and 2, and this expression simplifies to 48 minus 2, which finally gives us the answer 46. That's great. Option B is the correct answer to this question.